everyone, I'm Richway Mahaliano from Telmobile. Today, I'm going to talk about a topic that affects many families. Is a child separation from the family good or bad? For me, it is bad for children. Separation is one of the most common problems in families today. Some children believe that living or separating from their family is the right way to find peace of mind. But in reality, it often brings sadness and emotional pain. The separation of a family member has a negative effect, even though others may think it brings peace. I believe that separating is bad for children because they lose the love, care, and guidance of their parents they truly need as they grow up. Children lose balance in their studies because they no longer have the emotional support and strength they used to get from their family. They often feel sad, empty, and unmotivated. Separation from one's family is never easy because families serve as your strength during your weakest moment. Without it, it becomes harder to stand up again after being broken. Separation can cause permanent distance and a broken relationship with one's family. As time passes, the gap between them grows, which leads to regret instead of finding peace of mind. Children end up feeling lonely and longing for their family's love and presence. In conclusion, a child's separation from their family is not a good solution to any problems. It is always better to face challenge together with your loved ones because they are the ones who give you strength and are willing to support you when you feel broken. Leaving home does not bring the true peace. It only brings loneliness and regret. Separation is bad for children because it destroys the love, unity, and peace that should exist within a family. That's all. Thank you for listening.